Hey guys, everyone. If you wanted to track phone number, click and email click in GA4 using Google Tag Manager, this video will show you exactly how to set it up step by step. It is especially important for lead generation website, agency, and service business running paid ads. Let's get started. Actually, create a phone number or click tick tag. Actually, you have to see directly as our phone number, click tag to ticker and even name phone number, click button, click measurement area, you have to settings and ticket setup. You have to phone number, click and click URL, contents and tails. This is actually GA4 event phone number click tag and GA4 event email click tagger trigger and event name. Everything is actually set up. And then preview mode, you have to go preview mode and then see actually link click. I have to see actually click fire email click anyone. They just only for click and link click actually fire GA4 even email click take fire event actually. And this actually link click phone number click is this is actually firing measurement ID, and everything is actually contact ID, everything is step by step actually. So if you are running paid ads and you will show not sure your tracking is accurate, book a free audit call using actually the link below. Thank you for watching, and I will show you in the next tracking video tutorial.